Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Tyla and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am excited to share with you how much money I made for a video that has more than 100,000 views on YouTube. The reason of making this video is just to inspire those people who want to start doing videos on YouTube, and also to answer those people who always ask me how much money you can make on YouTube. So as you can see here on my YouTube channel, there is this video of Tyla performing her hottest songs that has like 199k views. So this is a video that I took during Giants of Africa festival when Tyla was performing in Rwanda. It was a really great performance, and I can assume that it is one of the performances that showcased Tyla's talent to the world. Yeah, she was already there, but that performance changed her life for sure. So this video was mostly watched in United States, South Africa, and what else? And Kenya. So what I can tell you is that being paid on YouTube varies. A video can have 100k views and get little money, and another one can have more money. This depends upon different factors. Mostly performance videos are not paid a lot of money. So in order to make money on YouTube, you have to be accepted into what we call the YouTube Partner Program. So you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so let's jump into the analytics and see. So the video has got 199.3 thousand views, and has this number as this is the watch hours, and let's see. You see the click-through rate is 9.1%, and the impressions are 1.7 millions. This is how many times the video was shown on screens. Then let's see the engagement, how people were engaged, and yeah, this is it. The watch hours, 4.3k. So the average view duration is 1 minute and 17 seconds. Yeah, and the video was 4 minutes and 59 seconds. So the introduction was watched on the rate of 44%. So let's see the audience, the people who watched the video, where are they coming from? So as you can see, it has gained 491 subscribers. So you guys, you will excuse me because my settings are in French. And let's see the gender and the age. So you see women or ladies watched the video more, has 75.9%, and men watched it at 24.1%. Yeah, so let's see the age. So the people who watched are between 18 and 24 years old, and between 25 and 34 years, and between 35 and 44, and between 45 and 54, between 55 and 64. The people who watched it were not subscribers. The non-subscribers are at 99.5%,
and the subscribers are 0.5%. So you see that the people who watched it were not subscribers. So this is the top regions. You see the video was watched more in United States, and then in South Africa, and then in Kenya, Nigeria, and United Kingdom. Guess how much I was paid? And then let's go into the revenues. Drum roll, please. Let's see the revenues. Drum roll, please. Yes, this is how much money I got from the video. 301,000.6 cents dollars. This is it. So yeah, this is it. So this is how much money I got, and yeah. Okay, so that is it. And do you think it is enough or not enough? For me, I am very glad. I think it can at least pay the bills, So if you are inspired to make some YouTube videos, don't hesitate to make them. What I can tell you is that you can even get much money than this. Every video is very different to one another. You can make much money, and another day you can get less. Keep doing what you're doing, and don't hesitate to subscribe.